I remember scrubbing my shower tile grout for 2 straight hours last month, inhaling toxic fumes, only to see the pink mildew return 3 days later. Choosing the right bathroom cleaner often feels like a frustrating guessing game where you either get something that smells like an industrial chemical plant but works, or an eco-friendly spray that barely tackles hard water spots. You end up wasting money and ruining your precious weekends. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 bathroom cleaning products I've extensively tested to save your sanity. Stick around, because number 1 literally does the work for you. 5. Alien Power B0G73BSV K7. When I first saw the bold claims of this product, I was genuinely intrigued by the promise of a completely hands-off cleaning experience. The bottle boasts a powerful formula designed to melt away soap scum and hard water stains on contact, which sounded like an absolute dream for anyone who hates spending their Saturday afternoons bent over a bathtub. I tested it on my guest bathroom shower, which had accumulated a fair amount of grime over the past month. The application process is straightforward enough, as the spray nozzle delivers a decent, wide-angle mist that covers a large surface area quickly. You are supposed to just spray it on the affected areas, wait for the supposedly magical alien technology to break down the dirt, and then simply rinse it away. I coated my glass shower doors and the surrounding ceramic tiles, watching as the liquid clung to the vertical surfaces reasonably well without immediately dripping straight down to the drain. However, my real-world testing quickly revealed some significant shortcomings that you need to be aware of before purchasing. Despite the no scrub label plastered across the front, I found myself reaching for my bristled brush after the initial rinse left behind a noticeable layer of stubborn soap scum. Furthermore, the chemical odor is surprisingly pungent for a modern cleaner, forcing me to open every window in the house and turn on the exhaust fan just to breathe comfortably while working in the enclosed space. Ultimately, while the Alien Power Cleaner might work for very light, everyday maintenance, it completely fails to live up to its heavy-duty, effort-free promises. 4. Zep ZUSTT32PF. Zep is a brand that built its reputation on providing commercial-grade cleaning solutions for residential use, and this specific formula is designed specifically to target the absolute worst hard water spots, calcium buildup, and set in soap scum. I decided to put it to the test in my master bathroom, specifically targeting a heavily calcified shower head and the notoriously difficult textured floor of my fiberglass bathtub, hoping to see some professional level results. Right out of the gate, the cleaning power of this acidic formula is undeniably impressive and noticeably stronger than your average grocery store spray. Within seconds of applying it to the textured tub floor, I could actually see it reacting with the mineral deposits, breaking down the chalky white residue that other cleaners had completely ignored. It requires very little physical effort to wipe away the dissolved grime, which is a massive plus for anyone dealing with severe hard water issues in their local water supply. But this extreme power comes with a serious set of drawbacks that makes it difficult to recommend for daily use. The fumes off this Zep cleaner are incredibly harsh, to the point where I actually had to step out of the bathroom twice during my testing just to get some fresh air, even with the fan running on high. Additionally, because the formula is so highly acidic, you have to be extremely careful about where you spray it. I accidentally got a few drops on my dark bronze fixtures and had to frantically wipe them down to prevent the finish from being permanently stripped. 3. CLOROX Bathroom Disinfecting. When you are dealing with a bathroom, you aren't just fighting visible dirt. You are battling invisible bacteria, mildew, and viruses, which is where this trusted product really steps up to the plate. I tested this extensively around the toilet base, the bathroom sink, and the high-touch areas like door handles and light switches, primarily looking for a reliable, everyday workhorse that could handle both sanitation and general grime removal simultaneously. What I really appreciate about this specific Clorox iteration is the foaming action of the spray nozzle, which is a massive upgrade over traditional liquid sprays. When you pull the trigger, it dispenses a thick, clinging foam that latches onto vertical surfaces like the sides of the toilet bowl or the shower walls, allowing the disinfecting agents to actually sit and work rather than immediately running off. This dwell time is crucial for killing 99.9% of germs, and it effortlessly lifts light soap scum and toothpaste splatters with just a simple wipe of a microfiber cloth. Unlike the previous two cleaners I tested, the user experience here is incredibly balanced and manageable for regular weekly chores. While it does contain bleach and has that recognizable clean Clorox scent, it isn't overpowering or chemically offensive, leaving the room smelling sanitized and fresh rather than toxic. It gives you a profound sense of peace of mind knowing that the surfaces aren't just visually clean, but clinically disinfected, which is especially important if you have kids or are sharing a bathroom with multiple family members. The Clorox Bathroom Disinfecting Spray earns a solid middle-of-the-pack ranking because it is incredibly dependable, widely available, and does exactly what it promises without any ridiculous marketing gimmicks. 2. Stardrops, the pink stuff. If you have spent any time on social media over the last few years, you have undoubtedly seen the viral paste version of the pink stuff. But I wanted to see if their dedicated bathroom spray could live up to the massive hype. I decided to throw everything I had at it, testing it on water-spotted glass shower doors, dull ceramic tiles, stainless steel faucets, and even a slightly stained porcelain sink to see if the miracle claim held any water. I was immediately blown away by how incredibly versatile this single bottle of cleaner truly is across drastically different materials. The formula is a non-drip foam that clings beautifully to your shower doors, and unlike almost every other heavy-duty cleaner on the market, it is formulated with natural, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients. When I wiped away the foam from my glass doors after letting it sit for a few minutes, I was left with a perfectly streak-free, brilliant shine that completely eliminated the cloudy hard water spots that usually require a dedicated glass cleaner. Perhaps the most pleasant surprise during my testing process was the scent and overall feel of using the product in a confined space. It has a light, fruity, almost rhubarb-like fragrance that actually makes cleaning the bathroom an enjoyable experience, completely eliminating the need to ventilate the house or wear a mask. Furthermore, it easily cut through heavy soap scum on the ceramic tiles without requiring any back-breaking scrubbing, lifting the dirt effortlessly into my cleaning cloth and restoring the original glossy finish of the tile. The Pink Stuff Miracle Bathroom Cleaner is a phenomenal, highly effective product that tackles 95% of bathroom messes with incredible ease and an amazing scent. 1. Wet and Forget Shower Cleaner. After years of testing countless products that require scrubbing, wiping, and rinsing, I was highly skeptical of a product that claimed you only needed to use it once a week with zero physical effort. I set up the ultimate test in a highly trafficked shower that hadn't been cleaned in 2 weeks, following the instructions to simply spray down all the surfaces right after my evening shower and simply walk away until the next day. The application is an absolute breeze thanks to the high-efficiency sprayer that comes attached to the large bottle, which puts out a generous, wide mist. Because you apply it right after you finish showering while the walls are still wet, it perfectly integrates into your existing routine rather than forcing you to dedicate a separate chunk of your weekend to cleaning chores. The formula works overnight to break down soap scum, grime, and body oils, and the next morning, you simply rinse down the walls with your shower head before stepping in. The results after just 1 week of testing were nothing short of spectacular, completely transforming the way I view bathroom maintenance. Without a single stroke of a sponge or brush, my shower walls remained brilliantly clear, the grout lines stopped accumulating mildew, and the glass doors looked like they had been professionally detailed. Even better, the formula is entirely bleach-free and ammonia-free, featuring a soft, pleasant vanilla essence scent that leaves the bathroom smelling like a high-end spa rather than a hospital ward. The Wet and Forget Shower Cleaner earns the definitive #1 spot because it completely eliminates the physical labor associated with keeping a bathroom clean.